Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Sony Xperia 10 Mark 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable notification and sounds on Messenger application. So basically, it's very easy to do. So first, of course, we need to have the Messenger on our device. So as you can see, I have no. So I'll install it. But the process is very easy. So you just need to open settings, find applications, and choose and find Messenger here. So for example, Messenger is already downloaded and installed. So let's try to do it in the settings with the settings again. Cool. So find here, please, the apps and find your Messenger. Here, click notifications. We need to allow or disable Messenger all notifications. Then here you will see the categories of the conversations or of the updating of the Messenger, and you need to disable or disable those of them you want or you don't want. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.